How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 17, Base Unit Louver Door Panel. Let's start. Duplicate Base Unit 1 door from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file Base Unit 1 Door Louver. Okay, open the file. Go to 3D and rename the door panel plane to Door Panel Louver. Okay, expand and rename the type Door Panel Louver. Okay, select the door panel, edit family, go to reference level, select the 40mm dimension and unlock. Select the reference plane, change the dimension to 20mm, then select the dimension and lock. Okay, next, download and open the louver panel. See the link in the description below to download. Open the file. Okay, load into the project, load it into Door Panel Louver. Okay, select place on face, pick, then select align, select the center reference plane, and select the center of the louver panel and lock. Okay, select the door panel extrusion and delete. Then align, select this reference plane, select the edge of the louver panel and lock. Okay, go to 3D view, graphic display, select realistic, select this element and hide element, zoom to fit, select the louver panel, then let's map the materials. Let's create new parameter, type rail finish. Okay, style finish, pick the button, create new parameter, type style finish. Okay, for the panel width, pick the button and select the width. Okay, panel height, select the height. Okay, top rail, pick the button, create new parameter, type top rail. Okay, for the bottom rail, pick the button, create new parameter, type bottom rail. Okay, for the style, pick the button, create new parameter, type style. Okay, next, go to edit type, let's check. Okay, next, let's test the parameter. Bottom rail, let's make it to 100. Okay, let's go back to 75. Style, let's change it to 100. Okay, good. Go back to 50. Then the top rail, let's try the 200. Okay, go back to 50, apply. Okay, top rail, move the parameter up, style, move up, Then the width, let's try 800. Okay, go back to 600. Then height 900. Okay, back to 700. Next. Okay, zoom to fit. Okay, save the family door panel louver, save it to the desktop. Okay, next, load into the project, select base unit 1 door louver. Okay, then override the existing version. Okay, let's test the parameter. The width 800. Okay, perfect. Go back to 600, apply, and let's change the depth. Let's try 800. Okay, back to 650. Then module height, let's try 800. Okay, back to 720. Okay, apply. Then full handle width, let's change the 100 to 150 so it will not overlap on the style. Apply. Okay, and okay. Next, save the family. Okay, load into the project. Okay, next, insert spacebar to rotate, then pick. Okay, next, let's create one more. Let's try the base unit 2 drawers. Copy, paste, and rename the file base unit 2 drawers louver. Okay, open the file. Go to 3D and rename the door panel louver. Expand. Okay, rename door panel louver. Okay, next, open the door panel louver from the desktop. Open. Okay, load into the project. Load it into base unit 2 drawers louver. Okay, override the existing version. Okay, now select the door panel louver. Go to properties, edit type, and let's map the materials. Rail finish, pick the button and create new parameter. Type rail finish. Okay, okay. Style finish, pick the button. Okay, create new parameter and type style finish. Okay, okay. Next, top rail, pick the button. Okay, let's create new parameter. Type top rail. Okay, Okay. Style, pick the button, create new parameter, type style. Okay. Then bottom rail, create new parameter, type bottom rail. Okay. Apply. Okay. Select the door panel. Okay. Check edit type. Okay. Next, let's test the parameter. Go to family types. Okay. Select top rail. Move the parameter up. Select the style. Move up. Okay. Now let's change the width to 800. Okay. Next, let's change the 100 to 150. Apply. Okay. Then let's go back to 600. Apply. Then top rail or bottom rail, let's try 100. Apply. Okay. Go back to 75. Okay. Zoom to fit. Okay. Save the family. Okay. Load into the project. Then insert, pick. Next, let's add the base unit 2-door sink. Okay, I've done this before. Okay, pick, align, select the front surface of the backsplash, select the surface, select the side, select the side. Okay, let's add the base unit 2 drawers cooktop. Okay, insert, pick, then align, select the side surface. Okay, select, align. Okay, select the side, select the surface, select the surface. Okay, next, select the front surface, select the side, okay. Next, let's add end panel. Okay, space bar to rotate, then align, select the front surface of the backsplash, select the surface. Okay, select the side surface, then select the side surface. Okay, select the end panel, create similar. Okay, space bar to rotate, align, select the surface, select the side, tab to select. Okay, done. Thank you.